Welcome back to Zooni Tunes, the channel where we turn simple sketches into amazing characters with fun drawing and coloring. In today's video, we'll be bringing two exciting Cars characters to life, starting with the powerful monster truck McQueen, followed by the legendary racer Lightning McQueen. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and young artists, so grab your crayons, pencils, markers, whatever you love using the most. We'll go step by step through drawing and coloring each character, helping you capture every unique detail and shape. So settle in, get your paper ready, and let's jump straight into our creative adventure, starting with our first big drawing. Now outline the truck body above the wheels, giving him his classic eyes, smile, and big frame. Sketching the giant wheels that make Monster Truck McQueen stand so tall and powerful. Add the lifted suspension and support bars that connect each wheel to the truck body. Finish the drawing by adding headlights, roof lights, and his famous number 95 along the side. Fill in the huge wheels with deep grays and give the rims a strong purple or blue shade. Add a soft blue tone to the windows and brighten them with a white highlight for shine. Start coloring the body with a bold bright red, leaving space for the windows and decals. Begin by outlining Lightning McQueen's smooth racing car shape, keeping the curves clean and sharp. Add the wheels, windshield, and his expressive eyes that give him his familiar personality. Draw in the famous lightning bolt design, the number 95, and the detailed side patterns. Complete the drawing by shaping the bumper, headlights, and the body's final smooth edges. Add light blue to the windows and blend a small white highlight to make them shine. Color the entire body in Lightning McQueen's classic bright red, making sure the color is smooth and bold. Fill in the wheels with dark gray and add the purple rims to match the design. Finish by coloring the lightning bolt and small orange-yellow accents across his body. Amazing work, artists! You just finished drawing and coloring two incredible characters right here on Zoonie Tunes. Your Monster Truck McQueen and Lightning McQueen should look full of energy, bright colors, and awesome details. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up because it really helps support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another fun drawing or coloring video. Thanks for watching, keep practicing your art, and I'll see you in the next colorful adventure here on Zoonie Tunes.